In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make money online with affiliate marketing without building a web page. Everything for free. This is a make money online course in 2021. Totally free. You don't have to purchase a domain. You don't have to purchase a hosting. It's all free. Alright, so in this video, I'm doing a giveaway and it's $5 for 5 people. All you need to do is to subscribe, drop a comment, like this video, follow me on Instagram, opt into the blog, and you're in. If this video reaches 1,000 likes, I'm going to do a live stream and it's $5 straight up into 5 people's PayPal accounts. Alright, so let's get started. My name is Pete. I own a digital marketing company in Frankfurt, Germany. My passion is to teach you how to make money online. Alright, so let's go through the steps for this video. First, we're going to see what Clickbank is. Then we're going to register for Clickbank. We're going to find trending products to sell on Clickbank. We're going to get our affiliate links. Then we're going to shorten the links. Then we're going to create a cover image. And then we're going to add the post. And then finally, we're going to see how to promote these products. Clickbank is the best affiliate marketing network at the moment, especially for beginners. Registration is fast and approval is instant. You can get started straight away. Just after registration, you can just start promoting your product. Let's click this link here. And if you go on Google, there's a little information about Clickbank. It says Clickbank is a global internet retailer and affiliate marketplace. Founded in 1998. It's a privately owned company based in San Diego, California. And I'd say that's the most important information you need now. And yes, coming back to our cheat sheet here, if we head over to Google Trends, you notice for the past 5 years, affiliate marketing has been on the rise. So if you want to make money online, passive income, affiliate marketing is your best goal, or amongst your best goals. Yeah, so it's worth taking a look at. I love it, I do it, and I'll suggest if you want to make money online, you go with it. So now we're going to register for a Clickbank account. So in my last video, I had a detailed explanation of Clickbank and how to register and everything and so on. So you head over to my YouTube channel, you come to the playlist here, affiliate marketing. There'll be quite a lot of videos in there, so you can play it and get some more information about Clickbank. So we head over to the Clickbank webpage. You can read through and get more information about Clickbank. But what we're going to do now is to sign up. Yes, you go through all the details, continue with the terms and conditions, and then join Clickbank. Very, very easy. Just head over to the marketplace, and then I'd say you just start searching. You hit on this button. Then, yes, you'll be shown some of the top products on Clickbank. I'd say we just scroll through and see what product we could start selling. Alright, good. So it's very, very important that the page, the product you're selling, has an affiliate page and has an affiliate support contact. Yes, so that if anything goes wrong, you can always write them an email. And let's just go into this link here and check it out. All right, so this has all the information you need as an affiliate. There you have all the rules and regulations and guidelines. And then you have high converting email swipes. So you can click on this, and it usually has material that you can use for your for advertisements. And so let's just try it out. Click on this, and there we go. Alright, so it has a few images as well. Here you see email 1, email 1B, email 2. So what we're going to do is to take these texts for our blog post. Alright, so we'll go out and look for other products as well. So here it's very important to see what the gravity is. The gravity practically means, it just shows how popular this product is. And this is the pricing of the product. The price doesn't necessarily have to be high. All you need to do is to find high converting products. For example, for this second product, you realize that we don't have an affiliate page, so we'll skip that. Actually, we'll just go out here and look in the health and fitness niche. Whilst we're here, we'll check and search per gravity. So meaning we want the popular products, popular and high converting products, I should say. Good. So with this page, this was the page we saw earlier. So we'll open this and check it. We're just checking if the product is good enough. No, this one, they want our email address. I wouldn't even go for that. So this doesn't have an affiliate page. Let's try this out. This has an affiliate page. Terms of service. Alright, so you read through, but I wouldn't go for this because it doesn't have enough information. So we'll skip this and we'll go to the next. So it says diabetes freedom. Let's check this out. Alright, so we'll check the email swipe. Alright, so when you found the product of your choice, we will then go out and create hop links for these products. So I've been doing some research myself, and I found some few products, but I found one additional product. So let's check it out. The Lean Belly 3X. Right? So I've added it to our product, and now we're just going to start creating hop links. Right, so found my nickname. There we go. Create hop link. So this is our first link. Let's copy that. Let's add it in. And this is from, let's close this, Lean Belly. Now we're going to generate our short links for these products. Alright, so let's get a bit organized now. Okay. Alright, so let's look for our first product. That is this. That is this Lean Belly 3X. So I'll just copy the first text here and save it in here. Then I'll get the rest of the text. And I'll save it in here as well. Alright, so this is my first text for my blog post. It's just an example. So I'll just clean it up a bit. Let's clean it up. Then I'll go grab the next text, paste it in here. Good. Then our last product, paste it here. Text. And just paste it in here. Good. I'll save this. Don't forget to save it. So we're done. And now let's go generate our short links. So let's head over to link.link711.com and let's try and shorten our links. So let's get over here and let's grab a link, a long link. Let's say this, and we'll try and shorten it. Alright, so it says please create a free account or log in to shorten your URL. Let's log in. So we'll create an account. Agree to terms and conditions. Create account. Oh, there we go. So we're logged in. Alright, so if it shows you a 404, all you need to do is just press on link 711 and then you can get started. So these are my login details. Alright, let's just let's paste in our first links. So let's just paste our first two links. I'll go with this. So to choose a domain, I've got 4pm.me. Okay. Alright, so we have this link. It's much shorter and yeah, better. You can share this on Facebook, on Twitter, and this is your QR code. You can save it as well. But we're not going to do that. We're just going to copy the link. Yeah, so this is much shorter. So we're going to grab the next. Paste it in here, shorten. Copy. Alright, so we'll stick with just these two for now. What I'll do now is I'll just log out, but if you register, just keep your login information saved somewhere. Alright, so let me just log out. So now head over to canva.com. We need an image for our blog post. We're going to create one, and I'd suggest for this web page you need an image of about 700 by 700 pixels. So here on Canva, you just go on create a design, then you're going to do custom size, and we'll say 700 by 700, and make sure pixel is selected. Create new design, and we need a beautiful image. So I'd say let's just choose this and see. Let's go look. Let's call it the Look Good ink. Let's see if we can pull in any other thing, any other text. Let's put in the text. Erase this. Let's call it Love Your Body. Let's put this up. Hello. Select all this. Okay. Alright, so we have an image. Good. So I'll say we don't actually need to save, we just need to download this image. I'll download it for now. I'll go for PNG. Quality is okay, so I'll say download. Alright, so we're done. Awesome, so we're done with this video. Consider liking and subscribing. Check the next related video and check the playlist for more related videos.